Hello everyone, this is my review of this squirrel-proof bird feeder, a perfect solution for anyone looking to enjoy bird watching without the frustration of squirrels stealing the food. The feeder is made of durable metal, which not only withstands the elements but also keeps persistent squirrels at bay. The bilateral weight-activated mechanism is incredibly effective. It closes off the feeding ports when heavier animals like squirrels attempt to access the seeds, ensuring that only birds can enjoy the feast. Watching this in action is both amusing and satisfying. With a 2.5-pound seed capacity, this feeder requires fewer refills, making it convenient for those with busy schedules. The design is thoughtfully crafted to allow multiple birds to feed at once, and the sturdy construction ensures it lasts through seasons of use. Installation is a breeze, and it looks great hanging in any yard or garden. If you love attracting birds and want to keep the squirrels out, this feeder is a fantastic choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this